Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you the latest boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account in 2024. So guys, I am using 15-minute time frame and also 1 minute time frame for this strategy. Don't miss out, make sure you watch this video to the end. So guys, in case if you are new, my name is BBFS Trading Strategies. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the indicator used in this strategy. Guys, the indicator used in this strategy, let me quickly show you guys. On our main chart, guys, we used moving average 70, guys. We use moving average 70, shift 0, exponential, guys. Exponential, but in this case I'm going to use simple, guys. Then close. Apply to any color of your choice, guys. Apply to any color of your choice. You click done. Guys, here is one of our indicator. Then on our window one indicator, guys, we have accelerator. We have accelerator, guys. That is our window one. We have accelerator, guys. Default settings, you click done. Then the next indicator on our window 2 is awesome oscillator, guys. Awesome oscillator, you click default set, done, guys. So this is the indicators used for this strategy, and the rules for this strategy is 5 candlestick, guys. 5 candlestick scalping. 5 candlestick scalping, guys. This is 1, 2. Let's check. As you can see here, guys, we started from here. Started from there. You will count your 5 candlestick. You will leave the market before it will go up, guys. You will leave the market before it will go up. So guys, what's the rules before you will enter this trade? Guys, the rules here now is when you're moving average on your main window, on your main chart, guys, if the candlesticks is below, if you are trading boom, guys, listen, this strategy works perfectly with boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and crash 500. That is where this strategy worked perfectly. So guys, this is the rules, guys. Let me show you guys the rules for this strategy, guys. Before you enter your trade, guys, 2024 is for sure with this strategy. Just cap 5 candlestick, you leave the market. 5 candlestick, you leave the market, guys. You will wait for a spike on a downtrend. Wait for a spike on a downtrend. When you see this spike, guys, you have to wait. You have to wait for your accelerator to come below. And when it comes below, guys, this red oscillator here is what you are waiting for. When it comes below the 0 level, you check if your awesome oscillator is also red. If it is red for boom and crash, you make sure the 2 of them is red. Then you enter. You pick your 5 candlestick, guys. You pick your 5 candlestick, you leave the market. So guys, let's quickly end this trade first before we continue. Let's quickly end it before we continue, because we have met our requirements. We have met our requirements, so we have to leave the market before the spike comes in. Spike might not come, but take the rules for this market. When you take the rules, guys, spike will not catch you, guys. So guys, let's continue. When you saw it that way, guys, you enter. I entered my trade somewhere here, guys. I entered my trade somewhere here. I pick my 5 candlestick. As you can see, it's still coming down. I pick my 5 candlestick, I leave the market. This is for boom 1000. So guys, let me quickly show you boom. Let me quickly show you crash 1000. So guys, here is crash 1000. We missed this one, guys. We missed this one. I would have take my 5 candlesticks successfully here. So guys, what you have to wait, as I said, on boom 1000, you have to wait for a spike like this, and you make sure your moving average is trending below, your candlestick is above. So you now wait after the spike, guys. After the spike, you will wait for your accelerator from here to went above the zero level. When it's at the zero level here, you make sure the first candlestick there, the first accelerator there is green. You now come down to here, you look at your awesome accelerator. If it is green also, if it is green, guys, you enter your trade. You pick 5 candlestick from there. Make sure the 2 is green. If the 2 is showing you green at the upper trend like this now, our requirement met here. It met here, guys. So you enter, you pick your 5 candlesticks successfully, you leave the market and wait for another opportunity. This opportunity is always here in the market, guys. It's always here in the market. I can equally even trade this thing when this moving average here is even trading above. As long as you scalp your 5 candlestick, you leave the market, guys. You leave the market. This strategy, you always see it in the market. Always see it in the market. As you can see it here also, guys. You can see always in the market. You see this one, guys. You see this one here. You see it here. You see it here. This is green and this is green here, guys. You enter, you pick your 5 candlestick. 5 candlestick. Don't be greedy in this market. You leave. You leave the market. So guys, let me show you boom 500. Let's check our boom 500. Guys, here is boom 500. Guys, we missed this one also. We missed this one. As you can see here, guys. As you can see here, we missed it. We missed it because our condition met, guys. Our condition, it dropped. The first drop here, it have to spike back. It has to spike back. Finally, the second, it came down, guys. It came down from here now. As you can see, this is red. This is red here, and this is red here. Guys, you pick your 5 candlestick, you leave. But in this situation now, you can see this red here. It didn't start near the zero level. It didn't start near the zero level, guys. It didn't start near the zero level when you see this red. And as you see this red here now, it started near the zero level, guys. It started near the zero level and it went, you take your 5 candlestick, you leave the market. You leave the market, guys. It's as simple as that, guys. This 2024, we don't have to blow account, guys. We don't have to blow account at all, guys. So, guys, you can see the spike now. Guys, let's wait if we can enter this boom 500 as a spike like this now. We'll check if we can scalp 5 candlestick, then we leave the market. It's another opportunity here. Sorry. It's another opportunity, guys. It's another opportunity. So, guys, let's wait. But meanwhile, while waiting, let's go and check. Let's go and check crash. This is crash. Crash 500. Crash 500 is selling. Guys, it's selling. Well, you can see it here. Guys, you can see it here. It turns green here. And it went above also green. You enter, you pick your 5 candlestick. You leave the market, guys. It's as simple as that. You leave the market. So, Let's go and check. Let's check our boom 1000. Boom 500, sorry guys. So that we'll enter and pick 5 candlestick live, guys. This strategy, guys, I will not play with it 2024. I don't know about you, but in 2024 I am not going to play with scalping using this strategy 2024. So let's wait and see where our red will drop at the awesome oscillator. Meanwhile, while waiting for these guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click that subscribe button and like the video. Share to your loved ones so that they can also benefit from this strategy, guys. So guys, let's wait. Guys, we can enter this trade now. Let's enter the trade now, guys. Because our condition has met. We enter the trade, guys. We enter for sale. You pick 5 candlestick is what you're going to pick from here, guys. 5 candlestick. Then you leave the market. Don't be greedy. You can see here, you can see our red. The starting of red here is closer to our zero level. It's closer to our zero level. So we are going to pick our 5 candlestick and leave the market. Guys, let me show you something. Guys, unlike here, as you can see, I've said it. You see here now, our red, starting of our red here is very long. So it's a sign that it might spike again before selling. But if you want to enter a trade, this red closer to zero level is the best to enter for your scalping. Is the best for small accounts. Is the best for you to enter for scalping of 5 candle stick. So guys, let's check if okay, we are still there, guys. We are still there. We are still there. Let me check if there is any opportunity. No opportunity here, guys. It's selling. Seriously, it's selling. So here now that is selling, you can see our moving average is above our zero level. So if you don't know these guys, spike might meet you on your way. So no need of entering this trade. No need, guys. So let's check if we have met our requirements and leave. So as long as this thing, if you reach my 5 candlestick, guys, I will leave the market. I will leave the market. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. So guys, I think I will end this video here. In case you find this video interesting, please subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I do not take that for granted. Thank you very much. Also share my video and show me love by clicking that like button. Like this video, guys. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.